So here's a little interesting tidbit for you. Denny and Deb, my good friends, returned to camp after a month, and some other friends came, so the group has grown a little. And so anyway, I thought I would do my first air fryer recipe would be chicken legs, because I bought chicken legs yesterday at Roadrunner. Well, I was like looking at the air fryer and reading the directions, and I thought I would take a look at the chicken legs. And when I went into the fridge, they weren't there, and I go, oh crap! I put them in the freezer last night because I had made a pretty big pasta and hamburger thing yesterday in the Instant Pot that's going to last me meals for several days. So I froze. I didn't know about the I didn't know about the little informal sort of potluck we were having. So I wasn't planning on that, but I forgot. I froze them, so I am on my way into town to get more chicken legs. Another $5 worth of chicken legs. And I will, as part of this video, show you how a guy totally clueless about air frying does his first batch of chicken legs. And you can all jump in the comments and tell me what I did wrong. I'm sure there'll be plenty of things. But all I really got from all the reading was, 20 minutes at 400 and flip them halfway through. That's all I know. I did get some tips like, pat as much moisture as possible off them. Do some salt, pepper, maybe other seasoning before you put them in there. I think I'll lightly spray them with some Pam. It's going into, I bought parchment paper that's sort of made to go with this air fryer. It's a small, I think they call it a 2-quart air fryer. So I'll probably only be able to do maybe 3 chicken legs at a time. And so it pulls 1,000 watts. So I think if it takes 20 minutes, and I need to do 2 batches, that's 40 minutes at 1,000 watts. That's going to cost me, I think, according to my calculations, about 66 amp hours out of my battery bank. On a day, after a couple of cloudy days, a really cloudy day yesterday, and doing 2 Instant Pot meals and being really paranoid about the low voltage I was experiencing overnight that never seemed to be any kind of a problem running anything. But I'm going to slam that battery bank again, another, almost 100 amp hours when all is said and done, and see if it holds up without me having to fire up the generator. So I will see you when I'm back and cooking. I'll talk to you soon. And here we go. This is the air fryer, and this is the results. There's 2 in there, 3 there. It smells really good, and it's super crispy.